Okay guys, next is going to be a bolt. So I'll pick my circle to diameter 10. Enter. I click OK. Or no. Let me try another one. What's the diameter of this guy? Wait. I click OK. Then pick a line to let's draw a very long line. So I'll be drawing a thin line. I just need that to know my center line, that's all. So pick my dimension to, I was told here to here is 5. Enter. Then I pick this 1, 2, 3. I click OK. Trim. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I click OK. Finish sketch. Extrude. Touch up on this guy. It's going backwards. And this guy. It's a full block for 6 mm. 6. I click on my plus sign again. Just this guy is coming forward for 96 minus 6 is 90. And to enter. Let's see. Okay, to resume sketch, we come to thread. We click on this surface and this surface. So we tell it the depth of our ring is 50, right? Then offset from point 6, 90 minus 6 is 9, 96 minus 6 is 90, 90 minus 50 is 40. So offset from point 40. Okay. Yeah guys, so this is it. I just want to make it go a little bit. Yeah, I use a diamond aluminium. Was it diamond I used for aluminium? Aluminium flats. Yeah.